Hello there. I'm back with a different type of video that I normally make, and this is done purely with marker pens, and it's my first video in this medium. It is a little bit rough and ready, I agree, and I wanted to try the marker pens out to see what they were capable of and what I could do with them. I am endeavouring to render the brickwork on this two-storied house. With a brown shade. I'm quite pleased with the way it's coming out because it gives the impression of bricks. And of course the tiled roof at the top is in grey. And of course I put the grey in the windows as well. This is quite an easy way of drawing something very quick. And using a minimum number of markers to achieve the result. So far I've only used 3 colours. And of course this house has a black fence in the front. And steps coming outside. So I decided to put shadows in the windows and then just to give it a 3D look and some contrast. I'm quite pleased with the result because it doesn't take much to achieve this sort of standard. Basically, it's just a matter of putting the colours in the right place and if you want to make a drawing of something, it doesn't have to be a long, involved, technical thing. It can be done very simply. I'll just put in a few bits of shade there. Where the sun's shining on. I'm using about a pack of 30 markers that I bought. They're not the high level markers, they're average markers. They don't have a brush just the ordinary nib at both ends are different, the pen style and the thicker one at the other end. I must admit that the sky was a bit rough, but I wanted to give an idea of what you can do with a simple markers, especially for a suburban setting. It's not like if you're drawing technical subjects that require a lot of finesse and detail. There's still a lot of detail in this house, and so I finished the finer detail off with a fine pen, just to define the areas and sharpen it up a wee bit. I'm quite happy with the result. If you're one that's doing plein air painting or drawing, this is the sort of thing that you can achieve if you're out in the field. You can take the drawing home and refine it.